Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gunawan Sanjaya. I'm from English Soil B class. So in this time, I want to talk about the differences of agriculture versus horticulture. So let's start it. Horticulture is generally classified as a subdivision of agriculture which deal with plant gardening. It is actually different from agriculture. It is easy to relate the two because some of the techniques employed are used interchangeably in both science. For instance, in the cultivation of crops, which is an agriculture process, many horticulture methods are employed. Horticulture is a complete science of its own as well as a full industry. Horticulture is defined in the strict sense as the science that employs special techniques and methods to cultivate plants, including methods used to properly condition the soil of seed planting or planting tubers. The domain of horticulture includes cultivation, plant propagation, breeding of plants, production of crops, plant zoology, as well as biochemistry and genetic engineering. The plants look at are mainly vegetables, trees, and then flowers, turbs, shrubs, fruits, and nuts. So, horticulturists carry out extensive research in their domain in order to get better quality crop yields, improve their nutritional value to humans, make crop pest and disease resistant, and adjust the environmental stress. The most notable difference from agriculture is that horticulture deals with small-scale gardening, and usually in enclosed garden, although this is not a necessity, while agriculture is done on large scale with extensive crop cultivation. So agriculture is the science of growing food, crops and rearing animals for farming. It involves the whole web of processes employed in the redirection of natural flow of the food chain and rechanneling of energy. The natural food web starts with the sun providing sunlight to plant, which is then converted to sugar, which are processed into plant food in a process called photosynthesis. Herbivorous animals will eat plant as their food, and then the carnivorous animal uh, will eat the herbivores for food. That animals and plants will be decomposed by bacteria and returned to the soil as plant nutrition, and the whole chain repeats afresh. Agriculture actually rearranges this web so that plants are protected for human consumption, although plants can be grown specially for animal consumption like cattle, which is in turn rare for human consumption. Agriculture can be divided into the categories, which are conventional and sustainable agriculture. Conventional agriculture deals with modifying some environmental factors like trees, soil tillage, and irrigation and all activities that favor single crop growing, especially for crops like wheat, rice, and corn. Sustainable agriculture is where ecological principles are employed in the farming. It is also known as agroecology. It aims at sustainable farming practice. It involves planting a variety of crops together, so the farming garden will never be bare at any time. So thank you. This is from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.